Second exercise, 13.2. Okay. Now, this
Ma'am,
is
13.3, ma'am.
13.3. Sorry, 13.3. 13.3. Very good. Now, conversion of solid from one shape to another. Very easy, children. This exercise. Conversion is very easy. Okay. Just to imagine, I'll tell you something. Nowadays, parents, they used to uh, take gold coins. Gold coins they used to keep it ready for the child's marriage or a daughter's marriage or son's marriage. They keep gold coins because if you buy jewels now only for your daughter and daughter-in-law, you know what? They may not like by the time that fashion will go, no? So nowadays parents are buying and keeping gold coin. When the time of marriage, what they will do? They'll go to goldsmith and they will give that gold coin and they will give the shape, any shape they will tell. Like make a earrings like this. Okay, the child, they'll make a earrings like this. Okay, so now gold coin is which shape? What is the shape of the gold coin?
Circle.
Cylinder. So
Cylinder.
circle means cylinder. It is a circle on top and down means cylinder. Okay. Cylinder shape is converted into two spheres. So sphere shape. So how they will convert? They will have molding. They will first put it into the heat. This will become liquid. Which will become liquid? Gold coin will become liquid. And then, and that liquid they will pour it in the molding. They will pour it in the hot liquid. They'll pour it. That hot gold will be poured into the molding of sphere. Then hot liquid will, they will pour the hot liquid of gold into the molding of earrings. Then they will, once it become cool, it will become earrings. This is the conversion. You can imagine the conversion. Just for imagination, I told the stories. Okay. Now we'll go to the sum. First sum. Can anybody dictate the first sum for me?
Rohan will read, ma'am. Rohan, ma'am.
Pardon?
Excuse me, ma'am. Rohan will read, ma'am.
Rohan, read.
Exercise 13.3, page number
Page number
251.
51.
Page number 251.
251. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
First sum. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter.
Okay.
Find the height of the cylinder.
Now, sphere. What is the sphere radius?
4.2 centimeter.
I'll write 42 by 10. Then what is cylinder radius?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. What is the height we should calculate? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so very simple. The volume of the sphere, two things. First, you write which are the two things is given. Okay, this is a diagram column. You do this, and here in the fair column, you write sphere, cylinder. What is given, you write off so that you will not go wrong. Sphere, I will write capital R, 42 by 10 centimeter. Here I will write small r, 6 centimeter. Actually, this is big and this is small, right? Okay, H. Shall I change it? This is bigger, this is smaller. Okay. H we have to calculate. Now we will go to the conversion. So the conversion says that the volume of sphere, first you put cylinder this side, okay? The volume of cylinder is nothing but the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is volume of cylinder. I will write cylinder. Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. I will write cylinder this place so that easy for us. Okay. Cylinder is pi. What is the formula for volume of this cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square.
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. Here this r is capital. Pi r square h. We'll put h also capital only. Here volume of the sphere.
4 by 3 pi r.
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Very good. Bhagya is telling quickly. Super. That means you have learned nicely. Keep learning. Keep practicing every sum. Even the example sum we should practice. Okay. Now pi and pi get cancelled. Why this is getting cancelled? The pi will become division here and get cancelled. Okay, if equal sign, everything is multiplication, you can cancel. Plus and minus don't cancel, children. It will go wrong. Okay, all are in multiplication, so I can cancel, because when pi comes this side, it will become division pi. So pi will come this side, it will become like this, and it get cancelled. This process only I'm doing here. Okay, simply don't cancel for addition also, you will go wrong. So r square h, what 4 by 3 r cube left over. So 6 into 6 into capital H is equal to 4 by 3 into 42 by 10, 42 by 10, 42 by 10. Whenever 10 is in denominator, don't cancel, children. Keep it for your further. Okay, only cancel this 14. Okay, now keep only like this. Then H is equal to, put that 6 down. 4 into 14 into 42 into 42. This this tens and all you don't cancel. Keep it like this. And 1 by 6 you put down. 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Now you cancel. Now you cancel. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now it is easy. 7 sevens are 49. 14 into 4 is 56. So 556. 556. 14 into 4. No. 14 into 4 is 56. What is 14 into 4? 56. 56 into 49. 56 into 49. 7 sevens are 49. Okay. 504. Here. 2 to 4. You will get what is answer? 2744.
2744.
Tell the answer, ma. Very good. Do every calculation by
2744,
yourself.
ma'am.
Very good. Practice every sum 3 times, ma. And every small calculation do on your own. Don't use calculator, or don't simply see some book and write down the answer, because it is a virtual class. Don't try to cheat, Gina ma'am. Okay, you will cheat. You are cheating yourself. Remember, you are not cheating, Gina ma'am. God is there. You should do every sum on your own, and then you should get. You work hard like this, God will reward you with the good marks this year. Okay, this is the first sum. Now let's go to the fourth sum. Fourth sum only I have put on for pick. You saw the pick? Did you understand that cylinder and embarkment? What do you mean by, read the question, my fourth sum?
A well of dia.
Okay, read, no problem.
Fourth sum. Somebody read.
A well of diameter 3 meters is dug 14 meters deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meters to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment.
See, that picture I showed. They will remove the mud from here. Mud will be here, okay? This is mud, earth. So they remove this, they dug it. They take this earth. Earth means mud. They take this earth and they will spread it here. You understand? So this is called what is it? What is it called?
Embankment.
Embankment.
How will we pronounce it? Correct? I'm spelling. Embankment is correct spelling. Good. So the cylinder is converted to this. The cylinder is converted to this. Now you you have to calculate. See, what is the radius of this? You should be very careful. If you understand the pick, if you understand the procedure, it is easy. See, from here to here, the same radius. What is that radius? 3 by 2. And then they give this wide. How much is wide that embankment? Tell me. Read again the question. Read slowly again.
Yes, ma'am. A well of diameter 3 meters is dug 14 meters deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in a shape of a circular ring of width 4 meters.
4 meters. Very good.
To form
there
an
are,
embankment.
and find the h. You should calculate the h of this embankment. See, listen this. Now radius is 3 by 2 plus 4 you should do. Okay, this is a big circle minus small circle. Now this has been dug. You should not calculate this. Now pi r square minus pi r square I should do. Pi r square minus r square I do. Pi r square why I am doing means, for volume of this embankment, we need base area into height. We need base area. I beginning only I told you the volume of some solid we can calculate by base area into volume.
Height.
So for base area into height. Base area into height is called volume. Now, what is this base area for this embankment? This base area is this pi r square minus r square, because this is capital R. From here to, see, from here to here is capital R. From here to here is small r. So capital R minus small r. Can you see this? Capital R minus small r. So pi. So what is capital R? What is capital R? 3 by 2 plus 4, because they said wide, 4 meter wide. So add these two, that will be the capital R. Take LCM, 3 plus 8, 11 by 2 you will get. So this is 11 by 2 square. This is capital R. What is small r?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. So capital R minus small r. So capital R minus small r. Okay. So the volume is to be like this. So now understand, it is easy. Now first is cylinder. What is given in the cylinder? Cylinder, they given radius is 3 by 2 meter, it's given. Height is 14, it's given clearly. Okay. Then embankment. Embankment, they take the mud and they will put it in the form of embankment. That is circular ring. In the circular ring, you need base area. Base area is this, pi r square minus r square. Okay, so what is pi only you keep. Here 121 by 4 you put, here you put 9 by 4 you keep. Okay, this is base area. Height has to be calculated. Capital H has to be calculated. Now conversion. Same conversion, only very simple. Conversion means very simple, children. So volume of embankment, what you should write? This sentence is very important. Volume of embankment is equal to what? Is equal to
Volume of the mud dug.
volume of the
Volume of the earth
cylinder.
dug.
That cylinder is that well dug,
Volume of
dugged well. Okay, the cylinder is the well, children. Okay, so remember, the cylinder is the well. So volume of embankment is base area into height. Volume of embankment is base area into height. Volume of cylinder formula we know very well. What is that? Pi r square h. Okay. Now base area you write down. Base area is pi, this one. So 4 is common. No, 4 is common means 121 minus 9. 121 minus 9. How much?
112.
Very good. 112 by 4. 112 by 4 you will be getting into h is equal to pi. Here r will be, what is r of the cylinder?
3 by
2.
Very good. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. What is h of the cylinder? 14. So now again pi get cancelled. Remember, multiplication you can cancel. Addition, subtraction you can't cancel. Okay. Now go to h. h is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 14. Bring this here. When it comes, it will come reciprocal. Okay. Now you cancel. 2 will become 7 times. From here 2 will go 2 times. Then 2 will get cancelled. 5, 6, 56. 8 sevens are 56, right? Yeah. What? Minus 9 by 4, ma? Because r square minus r square. See here? Okay. Now you understood? Pi r square minus pi r square, ma. Only pi r square. No. Okay. Now 9 by 8 will become 1.125 meter. That's all. So simple. If you feel it is very simple, you can easily learn. Think it is simple and work hard. Practice 2 to 3 times. That's all, children. So your homework is second and third sum only. You do homework. Don't do everything. I'll teach you remaining tomorrow. Okay, second and third sum. So that's all. You want me to repeat? You understood how it has come? This is very important question. So put very, very important in your book. This is very, very important sum. This conversion is very, very important. Many sums will come in conversion. Very, very, very important. Do every example sum also, practice for test. Start practicing. Thursday is test. Okay. Today and tomorrow practice very well. Okay. Formula also you write. Try to learn. Now I'll repeat this. From the cylindrical duct of mud. Stop the recording.